This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to make the following video that has gone viral. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to make this video in a platform called Viggle AI. First step is we have to go to Discord. So if you don't have a Discord account, you're going to go to discord.com, click on login. If you already have an account, you can just log in there. If not, you can just register and verify your email. And then what you're going to do is go to Viggle and then click on join the beta. Once you click on join the beta, it's going to take you to Discord page with an invite. And it says you've been invited to join Viggle. And again, this is only if you've already logged in, obviously, in your Discord account. If not, it's going to redirect you back to Discord to make sure you log in and verify your email. But since I've already done that and I'm already logged in, you can just click on accept invite. And it's going to take you to the Discord app. Again, I've already downloaded the Discord app, so you can do that as well. So as soon as you accept the invite, you're brought into the Viggle's homepage. So you're going to come in any of these animate channels, and it doesn't matter. Again, they have 10 of them. It doesn't really matter what you select. So let's say I click on animate 7. You're going to come here at the bottom. They have this little sign that says you could start here. So they have several commands. The one that's going to be very easy for us to make that Lil Yachty video, we're going to type in / and as soon as you do that, you can see they have several different things that kind of pop up. So they have animate / mix / ideate and / setting. What we're going to do is type in / animate, and as soon as you type animate, as you can see right above it, it says commands matching. So you can click on this / animate, and it's gonna prompt you to drag or drop a file. You can attach a file either by drag and dropping it, or you can click on this and then you can attach a image. So I'm gonna click on that and go to my documents. So I have the picture of Joker here because that's the video we're trying to make. But you can put basically anything as long as it's a clean picture. So you want to make sure it's a clean picture. There's not a lot of background noise, and it's a head to toe picture, because that I've noticed that that gives the best results. So I'm going to click on this picture that I have of Joker. So now that picture is attached. And then, so the image section, so that's complete now. It says joker.png, and that's the file that I just attached. So there's a motion prompt. So for this particular animate command, what you can do is actually, you can prompt a particular motion. And the way you do that is the way you find these motion prompts is if you go to Viggle AI, and if you come on the top right hand corner here, it says prompt. And if you click on that, you will see now they have these different already made prompts that you have access to. So the one that we're going to choose is called, the first one, it's like Lil Yachty stage entrance, but they have a bunch of other ones as well, like Tom Cruise. And again, on the next videos, I'll come back and kind of show you guys what the rest of the prompt is. But what we're going to do is select the first one, just double click on it and select it, copy, go back to your Discord, and on the motion prompt, you'll just paste that in here. All right, so now as you can see, the motion prompt, it says Lil Yachty stage entrance. The background, so if you click on the background, it gives this little, again, this little pop-up where you can select between white, green, or from template. If you select white, the background of the video is going to be white. And if you select green, obviously the background is going to green. But if you select from template, it's going to basically replace the image of the person. And this is where kind of the magic of this 3D AI comes in, right? It's going to keep the background the same as the original video, but what it's going to do is just going to replace the character with the image that you've attached. And this, in our case, we're just going to select from template. So I'm going to click on template and then fine tune. So this is if you want to enhance the character of your video. Again, it says it's going to approximately add 2 minutes to the video process time, but that's fine. So I'm going to click on. And that's pretty much it. So just a quick recap. You do / animate and you upload the image that you want to have the Lil Yachty being replaced. The motion prompt is the one that we just selected from Viggle AI. The background, again, we set from template, and then fine tune, we set on. So all I have to do now is press enter. And as soon as I do that, now it's going to go to the queue. So as you can see right now, It says author, ZTRWEISS, that's my username. It says you're currently in a queue. So you can click on how to find my generation, but basically the way you do it is if you come to the top right hand corner here and click on search, what you can do is actually type in your username, and then at the bottom here it says mentions user. So if you click on your username, all you have to do is just basically wait, and this will show all of your mentions, so that way you can see the things that have been generated for you. If there's any particular messages that have come to you, you will see all of that in here, because obviously there's hundreds and thousands of people online typing and prompting to make these videos, so you're gonna get lost if you just kind of scroll through the channel itself. But anyway, so right now, like the latest one, it says that sorry, our server is having a bit of trouble, obviously because they're probably swamped, because that video has gone super viral. But again, you can just wait or retype the prompt again and it should work. Alright, so after 3 hours of waiting, now they produced the video. I guess their servers were really busy. But anyways, as you can see, that error was given at 12:37 p.m. and it took them a long time to generate, like at 3:14 p.m. But yeah, this is not normal. It probably some server issue, because before when I generated this video, they generated the video within a couple of minutes. So that's not normal that it's going to take 3 hours. But anyways, so let's go ahead. So this is, again, if you click on the new, it will show the most recent video that you generated or the message that they sent you. You can click on jump. If you click on jump, it's going to take you right away on the left hand side here, and this will show you the video that was generated. And also on the right hand side, you can see this was the original image that I posted for this video. All right, so let's click on this video that was generated and see what it looks like. Alright, that looks pretty cool, huh? Now what you can do is actually, if you want to download this, all you have to do is come on the right hand side here and just hover over here, and it'll show you the download button, and you click on download and it will download the video, so that way you can have it and use it later on. Just a quick another quick thing, before when we selected the option of the background being template, so that's what that was, basically using the original videos template. But if you selected green or white, it will basically show up something like this, right? So this is the green, and then the white's going to be similar to that, except with the white background. But obviously that I don't think that's going to be very useful. I think the background being the template is going to be the one that's going to be mostly useful. Alright, so that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. On the next one, what we're going to do is actually create another video using the mix command. So what this is going to do is you can actually we're going to add our own image and our own video, and then we're going to basically animate that. So that's going to be really cool, so stay tuned for that one. It's basically similar to this guy who generated a very cool video of himself with his motion, with his original video, next to him an anime character. So we're going to make a video like that.